People, this is Jaden Thompson, 12-year-old young man who attends Manchester High and has been missing since September the 26th, which was Friday. His aunt and uncle-in-law are the persons who have been raising him since he was 6. He left for school and was seen after school in Mandeville with a woman and another child. The people have not been identified, the woman or the child, but he has not been seen since. They said they saw him in the town about 5 o'clock, and 5 o'clock is a time that he would have normally already been home, right? His guardians are pleading for someone, if someone took him, to return him, and if he's the one that ran away, to come back home, because information that I'm also gathering from the article I read, yes, I wrote that, my right article, that I read is that he was playing with his toddler cousin, right, the day before school, and the toddler fell and broke a bone. I think it was a hip, and they brought the toddler to the hospital. And more than likely, the aunt is saying she didn't lash out at him. She cautioned him to be more careful, right? But I feel like he was lashed, at least verbally, and maybe he felt guilty. Maybe that plays a role in what is happening now, and I hope so. I hope he simply just ran away for a bit and will return. I hope that's the case, and it's not the alternative, because the alternative is dire. But again, people, if you see this young man, report it to the police and help him get back home.